So I just thought I'd do a recipe or cooking video about making meat lovers pizza. So I've got this dough here, it's been in the fridge overnight. And to make this dough I just add 2 cups of flour, half a cup of water, around a tablespoon of olive oil, a bit of sugar like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, and pinch of salt, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm actually splitting the dough into 2 now, so I'm cutting it in half. I used half of it yesterday and I left this in the fridge overnight, just with a bit of olive oil in a bowl. And yeah, it's kind of hard trying to roll it up here on this red board, but I think the lighting's a bit better here because it's directly under this light, so I might leave it there. But got the pizza stone in the oven heating up too. I think that makes a big difference to the crust. Chuck that in, like, if you can, like an hour before, but I normally put it in like half an hour before or so. So yeah. I'm gonna roll this out though down here, and then I'm gonna chuck it back up there. So for the sauce, the base sauce, I'm just using tomato sauce. People do use like canned tomatoes and stuff, but I find this is all good. And spread that out with a spoon. We've got some mild chorizo here. This stuff's quite nice. It just comes in like a thing like that. Just a bit of ground mince, beef mince here. Don't need to put much on. Now we're just going to add some bacon. Obviously you can chuck whatever you want on. No bacon. Just have to use some of the edge. Some of the fat. Yeah, you can chuck on whatever you like. Like pepperoni, ham, whatever you please. So yeah, that'll do. And now just for the cheese, just grating some cheddar cheese over the top. And yeah, just a bit of barbecue sauce on the top for like a, you know, make it taste like a fast food kind of pizza. There's not much of this stuff here, but so you can also add a wee bit of butter if you want. I just scrape off a bit of butter, kind of sprinkle it on top, parts. Just something different. And so yeah, now we're going to chuck it on the pizza stone. And what I do is just kind of wiggle it around a bit to make sure it's not stuck, which it is. So what I will do is unstick it. Okay, it's unstuck. So we're going to chuck that on the pizza stone. Probably should have put a bit more flour on there so it'll come off easier, but it's pretty sweet. So that should be done pretty quickly, no more than 10 minutes. Yeah, just keep an eye on it. They can cook pretty quick, those pizza stones, because they just get so hot. So